It costs $30 to eat in a restaurant. It only costs $6 to make it at home. Coconut chicken pot. First, prepare 2 coconuts. Open and get half a chicken. Wash the chicken and wipe it clean with kitchen paper. Pour the coconut into the pot. And scraping the coconut meat inside. Put the clean chicken into the coconut water. Choose your favorite vegetables. Today I choose wax gourd to put in together. Cover the pot and turn on high heat. Turn off the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Prepare my favorite side dishes. At this time, let's prepare a sauce. First, prepare sand ginger. Some minced garlic. Scallions. Sha-jong. Chili peppers. Sesame oil. Soy sauce. We must prepare some green tangerines for coconut chicken. Cut 2 small green oranges in half. And squeeze the lime juice into the dipping plate. Our sauce is ready. Open the lid after 10 minutes. Our coconut chicken is basically all cooked. And a little bit of monosodium glutamate. Stir well, and it's ready to serve. The coconut chicken soup is so delicious. The coconut chicken is dipped in a very matching sauce. This meal is really delicious.